I'm going to show you how to mirror your iPhone to your Mac. Now this works for macOS running Sequoia 15.2. You may need to update your macOS to get the right version. So we're going to mirror the iPhone to the Mac so that what we see on the iPhone will appear on the Mac and we can navigate that. First of all, I need to unlock my iPhone, which I'm going to do right now. And then, yep, allow notifications, that's fine. iPhone is ready to use. So now I'm going to show you what I need to do on the iPhone itself. So on the iPhone, I need to go into the control center. I'm going to swipe down from the top right corner to the middle. That will take me to the control center. And then I want to get to mirroring. I'll see the mirror here. And that's this button here in the middle, the mirror screen. So I click on that, screen mirroring, ready to go. And I'm going to click on the Anthony's MacBook Pro. That's my MacBook. And now that's good. I am now using my iPhone. But you can see that on my iPhone, as I'm scrolling up, you can see it all on the Mac. And so on the iPhone, if I want to change something, say in the control center, I'm going to swipe down here. I might want to add something in the control center. Look, if I hit this plus button up here, if I want to add a control, that's an app, or maybe have the torch included in the controls, or a timer, or something else, I'm going to add a control. And as I'm doing that on my iPhone, that is all appearing on my Mac. Now, I am not touching the Mac. I'm touching only the iPhone itself. So that's it. You can see in the links below, you can see how to do this on your iPhone and on your Mac. It just makes it easier to see on your Mac itself, on your Mac Air or your MacBook. You can see all of your actions if you want to do some calculations, and that is all appearing on my Mac. How good is that?